Hey guys, so today it is Monday, August 5th, 2019, and so it is our Heritage Day long weekend, and so let me check the date. And so I work today and I'm very tired and I'm very exhausted, and so now I just did a McDonald's delivery. I don't know the angle to show you guys, like what the heck. So these guys, ever since that I moved to this area and the designated McDonald's is near the house here and this McDonald's sucks, and so I haven't ordered from these guys for like 2 months now because every time I order they make a mistake. So I refuse to order from McDonald's, but I was craving for it today, so I'm gonna give them a try again. Like last time I ordered a double quarter pounder BLT and they totally messed it up, and they like gave me a 1/4 pounder patty, no cheese, no tomato, no bacon, just one lettuce, and the order number slip was totally the wrong number. It's not even the same number. Like how stupid are these people sometimes? Like seriously. And so the one thing that annoyed me is like the Uber Eats, they took out the function so that I could say no ice in the drink or something. And so they still give stupid ice in the drink, and the drink is not even full. Stupid idiots. And the cola is flat. Like their stupid soda machines is flat. And so there goes my meal with the pop. And so this McDonald's effing sucks. Like near our house here effing sucks. Well, at least they did the double quarter pounder BLT right this time. They did something right. So this is my usual favorite burger. Like I say, this is the most substantial burger the McDonald's has, and so this is the only thing I get these days from them. Jesus, like, McDonald's, you suck at keeping your soda machines good. Like, seriously. So today I started my job at my new location today, you guys. And so, like I say, it's the same job, same pay, but it's just a change of location. Like, I have not been there for like over 5 years, and a lot of the adult staff there is the same. Like, none of the adult staff has left, and it's all the same. So it's like, most of the permanent adult staff there, I know them, and so it is not really new adjusting. It's like we are like all friends and stuff like that, and so yeah. And everybody was like so excited to see me. And so there are a few of the new school kids that works there that doesn't know me, but it's like, oh well. because before I moved to this neighborhood here, it's this work location is never near me, so I never go there. So it's like ever since the divorce, I haven't gone there before. So it's like when I tell the people there, my coworkers there, oh, I'm divorced now. It's like a news flash. It's like the hot topic of the day. Me and my ex, we married when I was working at that location. So everybody knows that I'm married, but nobody knew about my divorce except a few people that has me on Facebook. McDonald's, your saving grace is the poutine. That is the only good thing that you guys do. The only thing that is saving your ass right now is the poutine. I am so mad. I'm like left with nothing to drink now. Every time I order from this McDonald's, I'm gonna give them a bad rating. I'm gonna give them a bad comment. It's like, I don't know if they ever listen. So apparently the weather today is plus 28 degrees, and apparently I hear that tomorrow it's supposed to be like raining or storming or something. Like the other McDonald's that I prefer to go to is like a way better quality. Mm. So I don't know why I'm just so tired today. It's like when I had my weekend off, I literally slept the whole weekend. I did not go out at all on the weekend. So I see one or two things at the grocery store on sale this week, and I want to buy it. One of the stuff is salmon, but I don't know if I want to buy the frozen one or the fresh one. I got cravings for salmon all of a sudden. Oh, and so today I've been texting that bunny throughout the day today. And I do not know when my next weekend off is, but apparently my bunny wants to meet up again and to go to his place for the whole weekend long. Like, this bunny seems like a nice guy, so it's like gonna see about this and maybe see where this goes. I don't know. But at my work today, it's like, oh my gosh, it's like the summer weather, and it's like my favorite time of year. So many things to see. It's like a lot of the bunnies and stuff are nice and tanned and This pop is like drinking like water. Like, so did I tell you guys this before? It's like last time when I went to the Lion King, I watched the new Lion King, and the Burger King is near the theater. And so I've told you guys about like how the Burger King, it seems they change all their staff. It's like they've been having steady good staff for over a year plus, and all of a sudden the staff seems to have all changed. And they're all so freaking slow and all that. And so when I went like 1 or 2 months ago to Burger King, I was waiting for a while, and there was these deliveries, skip the dishes, waiting too for a while, and we were all waiting, and they were so disorganized with the skip the dishes things, you guys. It's not even funny. And so by the time that I got my Whopper, it was like cold, and so The last time I went to Burger King, I told them to make me a hot, fresh patty. And because the last time I got the patty, it was cold. And so what they call it, they actually mark it on the order form. They call it off the broiler. So that is what you gotta do if you want a fresh burger. But I'm hungry. I just need something down the hole, and I just recently had pizza, so I'm tired of pizza. Mm. Yeah, the other McDonald's that I usually go to is a way better one. Ugh. All right, you guys. So just a short little eating show, just a something down the hole, and hope you guys had a lovely Monday. I hope you guys are gonna have a lovely week, and thank you so much for tuning in today, guys. And don't forget to check out all my other older videos on my playlist on my channel, and I will see ya in the next one.